As we all know that cricket show test format, T10 League of Abu Dhabi has been finished and we have some stats about this tournament. Let's talk about them. Northern Warriors beat Delhi Bull by 8 wickets and won the tournament, and they are the champion of 2021 T10 League. Northern Warriors scored highest team total in the tournament of 162 for 4 against Bangla Tigers, followed by Northern Warriors, Deccan Gladiators, Northern Warriors and Bangla Tigers. Largest victory by run is 33 runs victory of Qalandars against Deccan Gladiators, followed by 32 runs victory of Northern Warrior against Delhi Bulls. Sohail Akhtar from Qalandar is the leading run scorer in the tournament with 248 runs. He is followed by Nicholas Pooran, Evan Lewis, Wasim Mohammad and Lendl Simmons. Nicholas Pooran from Northern Warriors has most run in a single inning of 89 against Bangla Tigers, followed by Chris Gale, Wasim Mohammad, Johnson Charles and Abdul Shakur. Roman Powell from Northern Warriors has best average of 96.0 in the tournament, followed by Lendl Simmons, Sohail Akhtar, Evan Lewis and Ravi Bopara. Nicholas Pooran from Northern Warriors has best strike rate in the tournament of 243.43 in the tournament. He is followed by Evan Lewis, Roman Powell, Paul Sterling and Wasim Mohammad. Sunil Narayan from Deccan Gladiator has most duck in the tournament. He has 3 ducks. No other player has 3 or more ducks in the tournament. Nicholas Pooran from Northern Warriors has most sixes in the tournament of 26. He is followed by Evan Lewis, Wasim Mohammad, Paul Sterling and Roman Powell. Lendl Simmons and Nicholas Pooran from Northern Warriors has highest partnership of 122 runs against Bangla Tigers. Jimmy Overton from Team Abu Dhabi has most wicket in the tournament of 12. He is followed by Fabian Allen, Junaid Siddiqui, Obed McCoy and Riyad Imrit. Fabian Allen from Northern Warriors has best bowling spell in the single inning of 4 from 13 against Team Abu Dhabi. He is followed by Junaid Siddiqui, Jimmy Overton, Ali Khan and Van Parnell. Fabian Allen from Northern Warriors has best average of 9.81. He is followed by Ali Khan, Ahmad Butt, Obed McCoy and Chris Jordan. Shiraz Ahmed from Delhi Bulls has best economy rate of 7.67 in the tournament. He is followed by Obed McCoy, Zahoor Khan, Chris Jordan and Sultan Ahmed. Fabian Allen from Northern Warriors has best economy rate of 5.8 in the tournament. He is followed by Ali Khan, Jimmy Overton, Junaid Siddiqui and Ahmad Butt. George Gorton from Bangla Tigers has conceded most runs in a single inning. He conceded 48 runs in 2 hours against Northern Warriors. Ben Duckett from Team Abu Dhabi has most dismissal as a wicketkeeper of 5. He is followed by Rehmanullah Gurbaz, Ben Dunk, Abdul Shakur and Nicholas Pooran. Roman Powell has 6 catches in the tournament, most by a player.